So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Midea Dishwasher, cancel drain reset, error clear and power cycle. So how to reset Midea Dishwasher? Turn off the Midea Dishwasher and unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then restore power and turn it back on. You can also press and hold the start and pause button for 3 to 5 seconds to cancel the current cycle and reset the program. So the methods first are basic power reset, works for most models. Turn off the dishwasher using the power button. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to power off the button. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall socket. If hardwired, turn off the circuit breaker. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in or turn the breaker on. Power the dishwasher on and start a new cycle. This clears temporary electronic glitches and reset the control board, which often fixes minor error or unresponsiveness buttons. Method second is cancel or drain reset. Turn the dishwasher on, then press and hold the start and pause button for about 3 to 5 seconds. The machine should cancel the current cycle. It may automatically start draining. Cancelling the cycle, reset the program and force the dishwasher to drain, clearing error states. So the third method is button combination reset. Some media model reset by pressing and holding start plus power together for 3 to 5 seconds or hold the start button until the display clears. Thank you.